Craving something chocolatey, malty, and super comforting, but don't want to spend hours baking? This Milo Mug Cake is soft, moist, and topped with a creamy Milo frosting. Best part? It's ready in just a couple of minutes. Let's make it together. In a large microwave-safe mug, add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This is the soft base of our cake. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of Milo powder for that rich chocolate malt flavor, 2 tablespoons of sugar to sweeten things up, and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and a tiny pinch of salt. Whisk everything together so the Milo and baking powder are evenly distributed. That's the secret to a light, fluffy cake. Add 3 tablespoons of milk to keep the cake moist and eggless. You can also use almond, oat, or any plant-based milk as a substitute. 1 tablespoon of oil or melted butter for moistness. And a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that smooth, comforting aroma. Stir until the batter is silky and lump-free. The magic happens when it's perfectly smooth. Pop your mug in the microwave for about 1 minute to 1 minute 20 seconds, depending on your microwave's power. Keep this aside. Let's prepare a quick frosting recipe. In a small bowl, beat together 1 teaspoon of softened butter, 2 teaspoons of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of Milo powder, and a splash of milk. Whip until creamy and spreadable. This frosting is pure indulgence. Gently spread the creamy Milo frosting over your warm mug cake. It melts slightly, giving a glossy, irresistible finish. Drizzle chocolate syrup in a zigzag pattern and garnish with a few chocolate chips. That's it. There you have it, a warm, chocolatey, malty Milo mug cake with creamy frosting ready in minutes. Don't forget to try it and share your favorite toppings. Follow for more no-fail microwave treats, because dessert shouldn't be complicated.